A visit to Kaziranga and Shivsagar. Word meaning: extensively, widely, renowned, famous, flora, plants of a region, fauna, animals of a region, viceroy, ruler on behalf of king or queen in a colony, prohibited, forbidden, marshy, waterground, array, display, sacred, dedicated to God, fascinated, charmed, manuscripts, documents written by hand or typed, antiques existing since old times, maimed, cripple, revel, show, strolling, walking around, amphitheater, round building with tiers of seats around a central space, indigenous, native, walls, underground, burial chamber.